All right, so we're going to be going over the TEAC 3D, which is graphing the set of linear inequalities and two variables on the coordinate plane. So I'm given this linear inequality, y greater than 3x minus 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my symbol, which is a greater than symbol, not an equal to symbol. Since there's no like a line underneath, then I know my line should be dotted. So I'm going to eliminate answer choice A. I'm going to eliminate answer choice B. So my answer choices are either going to be D or C. Now, C has the origin 0, 0 is not a solution. D has the origin 0, 0 as a solution. So I'm going to plug in 0 in for y, and I'm going to plug in 0 for x. So this becomes 0 greater than negative 4. I want to ask myself, is 0 greater than negative 4? If 0 is not greater than negative 4, then 0, 0 is not a solution. 0 is greater than negative 4. This is yes. 0 is greater than negative 4. So that means 0, 0 should be a solution. So that gives me my answer choice D. All right, so we have our answer choice D. Now, let's look at the next question. So we have a college student dealing with the same TEAC, has two different jobs. Her combined work schedule consists of no more than 48 hours in 1 week. So her X, the possible combinations for X, the number of hours she worked at her first job, and Y, the number of hours she worked at her second job. This is really, don't overthink this one. If I look at this here, this 0 ends here at 41. This ends at 48 or 48 and 48. We're talking about all the possible hours that she could work at both jobs are in that shaded region. So our answer choice is A. Just to talk further, it can't be C because this arrow here continues. It means it's going on to infinity. 48 hours is here, so that means it's not being counted. And even talking about the 48 hours here for the jobs at her second job, we're not accounting for all of these hours on that graph, so it definitely can't be C. On B, it says all of these are going to be greater than 48 hours, and D, again, has the arrow going on to infinity, so most definitely the answer choice is A. Be very careful on your Scantron on these type of answers. Make sure that you are looking at the right letter with the right graph and that you bubble it in correctly on the Scantron when you're graphing. All right, question number 2018, question number 19. Which graph represents this inequality given here? I have a solid line. I have a line underneath my inequality symbol, so I can eliminate C. And I can eliminate B, okay? Now, I could go ahead and I can just look at here. So A has 0, 0 is false. B has 0, 0 as true. So I'm going to plug in 0 for X and 0 for Y, and I'm going to see if that's true. So 0 less than or equal to negative 54. Is 0 less than or equal to negative 54? No. So that means 0, 0 is not a solution. So that gives me my answer choice A. Let's see. Am I still in the same 3D? Yep, I'm still in the same. Okay, so question number 45. We're given the graph shown on the grid here. We want to know which ordered pair is a solution to this set. So the first thing I need to do is figure out which side of the graph do I want to shade on. So I'm going to pick my origin, 0, 0, and I'll plug it in for X and Y. Oh, wait, hold on. Sorry, never mind. Oh, yes. Okay. 0 for this one, 0 for X and Y down here, because we're looking at greater than. So 0 greater than or equal to 10. Is 0 greater than or equal to 10? No. So that means I want to shade on this side of the graph. Should have done a bigger highlighter. There we go. All right. So these are all of my solutions to this inequality. Now I'm going to plot these points. So we've got 0, 5, 5, whoops. 0, oops, hold on, that's the wrong one. 0, 5 is up here. That's out. We've got 5, 0, that's here, that's on it. So let's check some of the others. Negative 2, 5, that's over here. That one's out. -5, 2. -5, 2 is over here. That's definitely out as well. So our only answer choice is B. And we're done. That's simple. Next question is, which of these graphs represent the linear equation y less than or equal to -4x? So less than or equal to. So that's going to eliminate A, and that's going to eliminate B. And really just talking about looking at our answer choices without even finding the solution. For -4x, since we have an x in there, that means that we have a slope. -4 is our slope. D has a slope of 0, so that means that that's a horizontal line. Our equation inequality given to us is not a horizontal line. That has a slope of -4. So D is automatically out by that understanding, so C is our answer. Question number 37. Which pair is shown in the solution set of y greater than or equal to 1/3 x plus 4? So we got this. So we're going to graph this. So I'm going to go up here to +4, and our slope is 1/3. So that's a rise of 1 and a run of 3. 3. And it is a solid line. I know it's a solid line because I have this little bar underneath my inequality symbol. And 0 is greater than or equal to 4. That's false. That's a not. 0 is not greater than or equal to 4. So that means we're shading above. We want to shade the side of the graph that does not contain 0, 0. So now let's look at these questions. So we've got -6, 1. That's here. So that's out. We've got -1, +6. That's right there. That is clearly in our shaded region. 6, -1. That's over here. Again, that's clearly not in our shaded region. And then 1, -6. Again, that's clearly not in our shaded region. Be careful. If you had shaded the other side, you would have had 3 answer choices. Make sure you notice it says which pair is. So we're only looking for one answer. You're only going to select one answer. So if you had shaded the wrong side, you would have had 3 correct answers. So be careful and watch that. That can also kind of help you check to make sure that you're picking the right value. And then I'm going to continue the next questions in the next video. I will see y'all next time.